Got something. I think it's NJ Transit. Not 100% sure, but it probably is. Can't make it out yet. Is it? He's kind of going slow, if you ask me. Is it a freight? What is it? Oh, it's a Northfolk. Oh, I've been fooled. Cool, he has 3 units on him. I thought this was going to be an NJ Transit because it kind of looked like it was going fast. Is that a new cart? It's kind of nice, in good condition. It's like an amazing condition. So I think I officially got like a freight train almost every day this week. If we get one tomorrow, that's going to be officially the whole week. I got 10-minute privilege on my phone in 42 seconds, so I'm not sure if we're going to have enough time for this. If I feel like I'm running out of time and if I have to pause it, then I'm just gonna have to, you know, like pause it when I feel comfortable. I have a feeling he's gonna stop. He might keep going. It's a light reflecting off of a lamppost. I don't know if I should go rail fanning Saturday or just catch trash truck Saturday. Last week I chose rail fanning and I didn't make any regrets. I enjoyed it. You don't really miss anything anyway. It's just pretty much all Freightliner McNeilus SD is the same thing. Did I see the end? Or are we going to shortcuts? Shortcuts? Ooh, I don't know if I can finish this. Got the horn. Here's the end. Wasn't too big, but oh well. is Norfolk once again.